In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail effectively, accompanied by some handy tips and tricks. This tutorial is designed to help you navigate Gmail with ease and make the most out of its features, both for everyday use and more advanced organization. Let's dive right in. To get started, open Gmail and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Gmail interface. The first thing we want to do is click on Compose, located on the left side of your screen, to start drafting a new email. As you begin composing, make sure to fill in the recipient, the subject line, and of course your main message. If you need to share additional files such as documents or images, you can effortlessly attach them by clicking on the paperclip icon in the Compose window. Once your email is finalized and attachments are added, simply click Send to dispatch your message. Now let's explore adding recipients. Google offers the flexibility of including recipients in the CC or BCC fields. Just click CC if you intend for other email addresses to be visible to all recipients. Conversely, by clicking BCC, you can keep additional recipient email addresses confidential. One of the more powerful features of Gmail is its ability to schedule emails. If you don't want to send an email immediately, click the down arrow beside Send and select Schedule Send. A menu will appear, allowing you to choose a future date and time for your email to be sent. This is particularly useful for managing your correspondence across different time zones or scheduling reminders. Organizing your inbox is crucial for efficiency, so let's touch on some tips. Instead of traditional folders, Gmail uses labels to categorize your emails. You can label an email by selecting it, clicking the three dots at the top, and then choosing Label As to pick or create a label. Furthermore, you can manage your labels, including creating custom ones, by going into Settings and selecting the Labels tab. Filters are another excellent tool at your disposal. Navigate to Settings, then to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, you can create specific rules that automatically label, archive, or forward emails based on criteria you set. This helps in keeping your inbox streamlined and focused on the most pertinent messages. For a cleaner inbox, use the Archive function. Simply click Archive on messages you want to remove from view without permanently deleting them. And for those emails you want to revisit later, use the Snooze feature. Just click the clock icon on a message to temporarily hide it until a chosen time when it reappears in your inbox. With these tools and techniques, you're well on your way to mastering Gmail and maintaining a tidy and productive email environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.